What if we told you that this factory can produce thousands of perfectly fresh donuts every single hour? Inside these walls, hundreds of machines work together with incredible precision to transform simple ingredients into one of America's favorite sweet treats. Before these delicious donuts ever reach a bakery shelf, they go through an extraordinary journey filled with engineering, speed, and precision. Every donut starts with just a few simple ingredients, but turning them into thousands of identical treats requires cutting-edge technology. From mixing and frying to glazing and packaging, every step happens with incredible speed and almost perfect accuracy. Stay with us as we take you inside one of the world's most advanced donut factories and reveal the complete production process from dough to glaze. Every perfect donut begins with premium ingredients. Before production can start, each delivery is carefully inspected for freshness and quality. Millions of pounds of flour are stored inside towering silos. They automatically feed the production line whenever they're needed. Next comes sugar, the key ingredient that gives donuts their signature sweetness and helps create their soft, golden texture. Fresh milk, butter, eggs, and yeast are delivered under carefully controlled temperatures to preserve their quality before mixing begins.
Before any ingredient enters production, laboratory technicians test samples to ensure every batch meets strict food safety standards.
Once every ingredient is approved, they're automatically measured and sent to the mixing room, where the transformation into donut dough finally begins.
Egg mix with flour. Next comes sugar, the key ingredient that gives donuts their signature sweetness and helps create their soft, golden texture. Powerful mixing blades knead the ingredients together, creating a smooth, elastic dough capable of producing thousands of perfectly shaped donuts. Inside the chamber, the yeast feeds on natural sugars and releases tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide, making the dough light and fluffy. The dough enters a carefully controlled proofing chamber. Here, warmth and humidity activate the yeast, allowing the dough to rise naturally. Even a small change in the environment can affect the texture of the final product, which is why precision is essential. Throughout the process, the freshly cut dough now reaches one of the most critical stages of production. Giant industrial fryers transform soft dough into golden, perfectly cooked donuts. The frying oil is kept at a carefully controlled temperature, allowing every donut to cook evenly without becoming too dark or absorbing excess oil. As the donuts move through the fryer, an automatic turning system flips each one at exactly the right moment, creating an even golden color on both sides. Within just a few minutes, the dough develops a light, fluffy interior while the outside becomes perfectly crisp and golden. Fresh from the fryer, the donuts continue along the production line, where they begin cooling before receiving their signature glazes and toppings. The cooling process is carefully timed to preserve the donut's soft interior while preparing the surface for a smooth, even coating. After decoration, the donuts enter the final production stage. High-speed packaging systems prepare thousands of fresh donuts for stores every single hour. Robotic pick-and-place systems gently arrange the donuts into trays without damaging their soft texture or delicate toppings. With packaging complete, thousands of freshly made donuts are ready for storage and distribution, beginning their journey to supermarkets, cafes, and bakeries across the country. Automated palletizing robots stack cartons with incredible speed and precision, preparing large orders for supermarkets, cafes, and convenience stores. Every donut you enjoy has a story behind it, a story of innovation, engineering, and the people who make it possible every day. If you enjoyed this inside, look at the world's biggest donut factories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible factory tours from around the world.